Jake, I have a confession. I used to hit snooze 5 times every morning.
Only 5 times? I was hitting it until the last possible minute.
Laughs. Okay, so we were both disaster cases, but something changed 3 months ago, and now I actually wake up excited.
Same. People keep asking me why I seem so energized and productive lately. The secret? I completely redesigned my morning routine.
And the crazy thing is, I studied what successful people, especially successful Americans, do every morning. They all have similar patterns.
Right. It's not about waking up at 4 a.m. or being superhuman. It's about strategic habits that set up your entire day for success.
Should we share the 15 things we discovered?
Let's do it. And remember, everyone, you don't have to do all 15 immediately. Start with 2 or 3, then build from there.
Perfect. Okay, habit number 1. Successful people decide their wake-up time the night before and stick to it.
This seems obvious, but most people just hope to wake up early. No, you set a specific time, prepare mentally, and commit to it.
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day now, including weekends. My body got used to it within 2 weeks.
Consistency is key. Habit number 2, they don't check their phone immediately after waking up.
This one was hard for me. I used to grab my phone before even opening my eyes properly.
Same, but here's what happens when you check your phone first. You immediately react to other people's priorities instead of setting your own.
Exactly. Emails, messages, news, social media. Suddenly you're stressed before you even get out of bed.
Now I wait at least 30 minutes before touching my phone. Those first 30 minutes are mine.
Habit number 3, they hydrate immediately. Glass of water first thing.
Your body is dehydrated after 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Water wakes up your system, helps digestion, and boosts energy.
I keep a bottle of water on my bedside table. As soon as I wake up, I drink it. Simple, but effective.
Habit number 4, and this one changed my life. They do some form of movement or exercise.
Not necessarily a full workout, right?
Exactly. Could be 10 minutes of stretching, a short walk, yoga, or jumping jacks. Just something to move your body and get blood flowing.
I do a 15-minute YouTube workout video. My English listening improves because I'm following instructions, and my energy skyrockets for the day.
2 benefits in 1. Habit number 5, successful people practice gratitude or positive thinking.
This felt weird at first, but now I spend 3 minutes every morning thinking about 3 things I'm grateful for.
It literally rewires your brain. Instead of starting the day with stress and worry, you start with appreciation and positivity.
And I do this practice in English, which helps me think positively in English throughout the day.
Brilliant. Habit number 6, they eat a proper breakfast. Not junk, not just coffee, actual nutrition.
What does your breakfast look like?
Usually eggs, whole grain toast, and fruit, sometimes oatmeal with nuts. The key is protein and complex carbs for sustained energy.
And no sugary cereals. They give you a spike, then a crash by 10 a.m.
Exactly. Habit number 7, they review their goals for the day.
This takes me literally 5 minutes. I look at my to-do list and identify my top 3 priorities.
Only 3?
Yes, if you have 20 items on your list, you'll feel overwhelmed. 3 main priorities make the day manageable and focused.
That's smart. Habit number 8, they do their hardest task first thing.
This is called eating the frog. You tackle the most difficult or unpleasant task early when your energy and willpower are highest.
For me, that's usually writing or creative work. I do it between 7 and 9 a.m. before emails and meetings distract me.
Once you finish that hard task, the rest of the day feels easy. Habit number 9, they limit decision-making in the morning.
What does that mean?
Successful people often wear similar clothes every day or have a set breakfast routine. Why? Because decisions drain mental energy.
Oh, like Steve Jobs wearing the same black turtleneck or Mark Zuckerberg wearing gray t-shirts.
Exactly. They save their decision-making energy for important choices, not what should I wear today.
That's actually genius. I now have a simple morning uniform. Comfortable clothes I don't have to think about.
Habit number 10. They spend time learning something new.
Every morning, I spend 20 minutes reading articles, watching educational videos, or listening to podcasts about topics that interest me.
And if you do this in English, you're improving language skills while gaining knowledge.
Exactly. Yesterday, I learned about investing strategies. Today, I learned about AI developments. It's become my favorite part of the morning.
Habit number 11. They practice mindfulness or meditation.
Even just 5 minutes. You sit quietly, focus on your breathing, clear your mind.
I was skeptical about this, but it actually helps me start the day calm instead of anxious.
Americans are big on meditation now. Apps like Headspace and Calm are super popular. And many have English voiceovers, so again, English practice.
Habit number 12, they prepare their environment the night before.
This means the night before, they lay out clothes, prepare breakfast ingredients, pack their bags, set up their workspace.
So in the morning, there's zero friction. Everything is ready, you just execute.
This saves so much mental energy and time. No more scrambling around looking for things.
Habit number 13, they connect with loved ones.
Even briefly, a quick good morning text to family, a hug for your partner, a phone call to parents.
Starting the day with human connection reminds you why you're working hard and keeps you grounded.
And if you do this in English with international friends or language partners, bonus practice.
Habit number 14. They avoid news and negative content in the morning.
This was huge for me. I used to scroll news first thing and arrive at work already stressed about world problems I can't control.
Now we check news later in the day when we're mentally stronger. Mornings are for positive, productive energy.
Exactly. And finally, habit number 15, they set an intention for the day.
What's an intention?
It's like a theme or focus. For example, today I will be patient, or today I will take action instead of overthinking, or today I will communicate clearly.
Oh, so it's not a task, it's more like how you want to show up.
Exactly. It guides your behavior and decisions throughout the day.
I love that. So let me recap all 15 habits. Decide wake time, don't check phone, drink water, move your body, practice gratitude, eat proper breakfast, review your goals, do your hardest task first, limit decisions making, learn something new, meditate, prepare the night before, connect with loved ones, avoid negative content in the morning, and set an intention.
Perfect summary. Now, let's talk about how to actually implement these without feeling overwhelmed.
Yes, because 15 habits sounds like a lot.
Start with what I call the core 4. Water, movement, gratitude, and goal review. These take maybe 20 minutes total.
And once those become automatic, add 1 or 2 more habits each week?
Exactly. In 2 to 3 months, you'll have a complete morning routine that feels natural, not forced.
And what results have you seen since starting this routine?
Oh, wow. Where do I start? My productivity increased dramatically. I complete more high-quality work in the morning than I used to accomplish all day.
Same. I used to procrastinate until afternoon, then panic. Now I finish my important tasks by noon.
My mood improved too. I used to feel stressed and reactive. Now I feel calm and in control.
And mentally, I'm sharper. The combination of good sleep, hydration, exercise, and learning primes my brain perfectly.
Plus, my English improved significantly because I incorporate it into multiple morning habits.
Right. Reading in English, watching videos in English, thinking in English, setting intentions in English, it all adds up.
Let's address some common objections. People say, I don't have time for a morning routine.
That's what I used to think. But here's the truth. You don't need 3 hours. Our core routine is 30 to 45 minutes.
And you're not adding time, you're reorganizing it. Instead of scrolling social media for 30 minutes, you invest that time in yourself.
Second objection, I'm not a morning person.
I wasn't either. But here's what I learned. You're not a morning person because you haven't given yourself a reason to love morning.
When your morning routine makes you feel amazing, you naturally become a morning person. It's about incentive, not genetics.
Third objection. This sounds too rigid and boring.
Your routine should be flexible. Some days I do a full workout, other days just stretching. Some days I meditate 15 minutes, other days just 3 minutes.
The structure provides foundation, but you can adapt based on how you feel and what's happening in your life.
Fourth objection. What if I fail and skip a day?
Then you start again the next day. Progress, not perfection. Missing one day doesn't ruin everything.
I missed days when I was sick or traveling. I didn't beat myself up. I just resumed when I could.
That's the growth mindset. Now, let's talk about how different types of people can customize this routine.
Good idea. If you're a student, what would you focus on?
I would say students should emphasize learning time and goal review. Maybe use mornings to study difficult subjects when your brain is fresh.
And exercise is crucial for students because sitting in class all day is exhausting mentally, but not physically.
And what about people working full-time?
Focus on the hardest task first and energy management. Your mornings determine whether you'll be productive or exhausted by afternoon.
And what about entrepreneurs or freelancers?
Morning routine is even more critical. You don't have a boss or schedule forcing structure, so you must create it yourself.
Strategic planning and intention setting becomes super important when you're self-directed.
What about parents with young kids?
This is tough, but even a 10-minute routine helps. Wake up 10 minutes before the kids, drink water, do quick stretches, set your intention, then handle the beautiful chaos.
Something is always better than nothing.
Absolutely. Now, let's share some pro tips we've learned.
Pro tip 1. Track your routine for 30 days. I use a simple checklist app and check off each habit. It's motivating to see your streak.
Pro tip number 2. Find an accountability partner. Jake and I text each other every morning when we complete our routine.
Having someone expecting you to show up makes you more consistent.
Pro tip number 3. Adjust based on seasons and life circumstances. My summer routine is slightly different from my winter routine.
Same. In winter, I might do indoor yoga. In summer, I go for a walk outside.
Pro tip number 4. Make it enjoyable. If you hate something, don't force it. Find alternatives that work for you.
I hate traditional meditation, so instead I do mindful stretching. Same benefits, more enjoyable for me.
Pro tip 5. Use technology wisely. Apps, timers, reminders can help build habits, but don't let them become distractions.
I use a Pomodoro timer for focused work and a habit tracker, but my phone stays in airplane mode until my routine is done.
Smart. Okay, final question. What's the single most important habit if someone can only do one?
For me, doing the hardest task first. That one habit creates momentum for the entire day.
For me, it's the no phone rule. When I control my attention first thing, I control my day. When I react to my phone, the day controls me.
Both great answers. Everyone watching should experiment and find what works best for them.
And remember, these successful people we studied, they weren't born doing these things. They learned them, practiced them, and made them habits.
You can do the same. Start tomorrow morning. Pick 3 habits from our list.
Commit to 7 days, just 1 week. See how you feel. I bet you won't want to go back to your old routine.
And track how it affects your English learning. I guarantee you'll see connections.
All right, everyone, comment below which 3 habits will you start with tomorrow, and what time will you wake up?
Let's build a community of morning people who are winning at life.
See you in the next video, and good morning in advance.
Make tomorrow your best day yet.